this video, we are going to deploy this website. So hello everyone, I am Nidhi from Edureka and I welcome you back to Edureka's YouTube channel. In today's exciting session, we will explore how to deploy a project for free. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, learning to deploy your project without any cost can give you a huge advantage. So let's dive in and discover the best platforms to get your project live effortlessly. Before we get into the details, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on latest tech content from Edureka. Also remember to check out Edureka's website for our training and certification courses. The link is in the description box below. So there are many platforms available for deploying your website. But in this session, we will focus on top 5 platforms that offer best features and reliability. After exploring these options, we will deploy our website step by step on one of these platforms. So stay tuned. So now let's look at top 5 platforms that offer best features and reliability. First of all, we have GitHub Pages. If you are looking to host a static website, GitHub Pages is a fantastic option. It allows you to deploy your website directly from GitHub repository, making it ideal for beginners and open source projects. Next up, we have Vercel, which is perfect for React, Next.js and other front-end frameworks. With automatic deployment and seamless integration, it's a go-to choice for modern web developers. After that, we have Netlify. Speaking of front-end friendly platforms, Netlify is another great choice. It specializes in static sites and Jamstack applications, offering built-in CI/CD and easy version control. So after that, if you are working on full-stack application, you need a backend support, Render is the way to go. It allows you to deploy not only static sites but also APIs and databases effortlessly. So last but not the least, Firebase Hosting is an excellent choice for fast, scalable and static website hosting with a global CDN, ensuring a smooth performance and quickly load times. So we have built this website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and now it's time to deploy it on a platform. So we will deploy it on the platform that is called Netlify. We have created this website in just 20 minutes with the help of AI. Now, if you want to learn the essential concepts for building a website, just check out this Edureka's Web Developer Master program. This will help you to excel every skill that is required to become a full stack developer and create a fully functional website. So now we will just go to our website and we will learn how to deploy our website. So now let us just explore the steps that are required to deploy a website. So first of all, we will just visit the browser and there we will just go to GitHub. So the two things that are required are GitHub and Netlify account. You just need to build your GitHub account and Netlify account. So here I have my GitHub account. So I have already deployed these two projects. And the next step is to create a repository. So for that, I'll just click here. I'll just go to new repository. And then I'll just give it a name as, let's say, my edtech. We will just create this repository. So the first step is to push your project into GitHub. And after this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the existing file here, the project that we have created. And it's just the tech. So we will select all of these files and that's it. We will click on open. So all of these files will be uploaded here. It's just uploading. Just wait for a while. All of the files has been uploaded here. We'll just click at commit changes. So by clicking on commit changes, the repository has been created and our project has been pushed to GitHub. We need to again wait for a while the files are processing. That's it. Now successfully we have pushed our project to GitHub. Now the next step is to visit our Netlify account. Again, you need to create your Netlify account and then you have to sign up here. I already have my account, so I'll just click on login. You can just click on login with GitHub and then your Netlify account and GitHub account will be connected. And after that, I have already created and deployed these two games on my Netlify account. For deployment of my next website, I'll just click on add new website. Import from existing files. I'll just go to my GitHub as my GitHub and Netlify account are connected to each other. So whatever I have pushed on my GitHub account will be visible here. So here I can see my edtech, right? I have selected that and now I'll give my site name. So I'll just give edtech website by Nidhi and we can just check for the availability of our name. We will just deploy this. So again, it will take some time to deploy. The site deploy is in progress. Now here we can see the site has been deployed. So here we can see that the link has turned into green. We will just click on this link and we are just directed to our site. So if you want your friends to discover your site, you can just copy this link and send it to anybody. They will be able to visit on your site. So this site has been deployed and published. So this is how you can deploy your website in 2 minutes using GitHub and Netlify. And you can use Netlify for deployment of your project for free. So by this, we come to an end of our video. I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it and comment down any of your doubts and queries. We will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka's channel to learn more. Happy learning!